Hey there, YouTube. I went to a sale at EB Games. Yeah, okay. I got a couple games, and I got a few unboxings I'm gonna be doing. I got Little Big Planet 2 for PlayStation 3. I think it only comes with PlayStation 3. Yeah. I got Bioshock 2. This one was an extremely good price, $9.99. Got Grand Theft Auto Full Edition, or Complete Edition, sorry. I got Medal of Honor for Xbox, because I only have one Xbox game so far. It says limited edition, but I don't think it's so limited. And I got a game I've been wanting for a while, and that's World of Warcraft. I had to cancel my other orders though, because the price is getting a bit too high. I don't have a job right now, so I got all these with the amount of money I have at home, so it's pretty good. Yeah, I'll get back at you in a couple minutes for the first unboxing.